Today is a big day because I'm starting this huge series of Amazon advertising basics. It's gonna start with really low level stuff like what's advertising, PPC, impressions, click-through rate, ACoS, and all the others, and then we're going to advance slowly. So first of this series is gonna be, in general, what is Amazon advertising? Why do sellers need it? And what is it all about? What's PPC? So you can forward this video to anyone who's asking you about this. Like, hey, what is PPC and what do you actually do if you're one of those guys who keep hearing this kind of question? So what is Amazon advertising? So whenever somebody types something like paper towels on Amazon search, what we see as results are most of it are actually the ads, as you can see. So this top banner is called sponsor brand ads. Then this is the ad, this is the ad. Whenever it says sponsored, it means that's an ad. So that's the big system Amazon is using to promote products who are good enough to be sold. I say good enough because if the product is bad, there's no advertising that can help it sell. Then after that, we have some results which we call organic. I don't know from where that term came from, but it's not paid. It's actually natural results. Maybe from there it comes natural results or after a search. So without ads, this would be the first line. So Bounty Scott, and again Bounty, different size, and Sparkle, and this Amazon Basics, of course. But because we have this possibility to push with the ads, we have some of these other ones appearing as well. Then as you scroll, there's also this one. The whole block is sponsored, like customers frequently view. So that's again advertising with the sponsored brand video, then again sponsored brand ad. So you get the point. A lot of it's actually coming up as an ad. So ad. Whenever there's a sponsored, you will that means it's an ad, and then the organic results. So what actually matters whenever somebody is selling on Amazon is Amazon PPC. PPC stands for pay per click. So advertisers, the brand owners, are paying for each click that somebody clicked when somebody clicked on their product listing. So if I click now on Presto, they will have to pay for that click. Sometimes it can be a few cents, sometimes it's 50 cents, sometimes it's $15, depending on how competitive it is and what's the price of the product. So it can get costly. Every time I have to click on a product, I try not to click on sponsored ones but choose the actual organic one. So why do sellers advertise on Amazon? Well, it's simple. Let's say that these guys have started selling 10 years ago, so they accumulated a lot of a lot of reviews. As you can see, 200,000 reviews and more, so it's hard to compete with that. So the new guys, let's say they have much better product or the same product, similar product, but at a much better price. So Amazon wants to push those as well because it's customer focused for the, I would say, 100% of the time. So Amazon sellers need ads, they need PPC to promote their products. If you launch a product, you want your product to appear next to these big guys so you have the ability to sell the product as well. And that's where it gets complicated because you have to know what are the keywords, and we'll talk about keywords in the next video. But what are the actual words that people type to find your product? And it's not only one word. Unfortunately, that would be fabulous. It's hundreds of different words. It's hundreds of sometimes thousands of different words that can lead people to your product. Now, for the sake of simplicity, this will be the first video where I just covered the basic why this thing Amazon PPC actually happened, why does it exist, and why it is making Amazon so much money and why it's so popular and one of the biggest, if not the biggest lever that Amazon sellers can pull to gain good sales numbers. Stay tuned. This series will benefit a lot of people. You will be able to fill in some of the gaps that you have in your knowledge, and you will be able to forward this to your team members who are just starting out with PPC, so you can take that off your plate and just give them this series and say, okay, Ego recorded everything for you. Start from the first one and go through all the first 500 videos and you'll be good. Stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye bye.